Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey towards natural beauty and self-care. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of body hair removal the natural way. No more relying on artificial products that can harm our skin and health. Let's discover some amazing ways to achieve smooth, hair-free skin, naturally. But before we dive into the natural remedies, let's take a moment to talk about those tempting commercial hair removal products, like Nair cream. Yes, they promise quick results, but have you ever wondered what's in those bottles? The harsh chemicals, like calcium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, can cause skin irritation, allergic reactions, and even chemical burns. Yikes! We all deserve better than that, don't we? Our skin deserves tender love and care, which is precisely what natural hair removal methods offer. So, let's bid farewell to those artificial products and embrace nature's gift to us. Nature has a treasure trove of botanical wonders, waiting to pamper our skin. Instead of putting our trust in artificial products, why not harness the power of Mother Earth to enhance our beauty? Let's explore some incredible natural options. One of the simplest and most effective methods is using natural sugar wax. Made from just sugar, lemon juice, and water, it's gentle on your skin and won't leave you with any nasty side effects. Plus, it's budget-friendly and easily accessible. Say goodbye to chemical burns and hello to silky smooth skin. Another fantastic option is lavender-infused oil. Not only does it smell heavenly, but it also has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe your skin while helping to slow down hair regrowth. Nature knows best. Oh, and let's not forget our good old friend, the sun. That's right. Spending some quality time outdoors can be a natural way to reduce body hair growth. Sunlight contains vitamin D, which can inhibit hair growth and leave your skin with a healthy glow. Here's a fun way to keep your body hair in check: exercise. Regular physical activity increases blood circulation, which can slow down hair growth. Not to mention, staying active has countless other benefits for our overall health and well-being. A win-win situation. Did you know that some fruits are not only delicious but can also help with hair removal? Take papaya, for example. Its enzymes weaken hair follicles, making it easier to remove unwanted hair naturally. Now, let's talk about the importance of self-care. Hair removal can sometimes be seen as a chore, but it doesn't have to be that way. Embrace this routine as a form of self-care and relaxation. Light some scented candles, play soothing music, and turn your hair removal session into a blissful experience. When we choose natural hair removal methods, we're not just doing ourselves a favor. We're also being kind to our environment. Artificial hair removal products often come in plastic packaging and contain harmful chemicals that end up polluting our planet. By going natural, we reduce our ecological footprint and help preserve the beauty of nature. Beyond the physical benefits, hair removal is also a personal journey. Many people have struggled with societal expectations and insecurities about body hair. Embracing natural hair removal methods can lead to a deeper sense of self-acceptance and empowerment. Remember, you are beautiful just the way you are. So, let's recap what we've learned today. Natural hair removal methods offer a plethora of benefits for our skin, health, and the environment. Say no to artificial products like Nair cream and say yes to nature's gentle touch. Take the first step towards a more natural and holistic approach to beauty. Embrace the power of Mother Nature, and you'll be amazed at the beautiful results she has in store for you. Let's embark on this journey together, celebrating our uniqueness and loving ourselves just the way we are. Remember, beauty comes from within, and it shines through when we care for ourselves naturally. Before we say goodbye, we have a little surprise for you. Are you ready for the secret to a natural hair removal method that will blow your mind? In just 5 seconds, we'll reveal this incredible secret, so get ready. The secret to natural hair removal lies in pineapple. Yes, you heard it right. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that effectively breaks down hair follicles, leaving your skin smoother than ever before. Simply blend fresh pineapple, apply it to the area, and watch the magic happen. Pineapple not only helps remove hair but also leaves your skin with a tropical, refreshing scent. So, the next time you're looking for a natural hair removal solution, Think outside the box and try this fantastic pineapple hack. It's nature's sweetest way to get smooth skin. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and natural beauty secrets. Share this video with your friends, and let's spread the word about the wonders of natural hair removal. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. Stay naturally beautiful, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep embracing the power of nature and loving yourself just the way you are. Goodbye, everyone.